Hey everybody, this is a video response to my friend ISEEHATERS. He come up with he's found a cure for the hiccups. And you'll just have to check out his video to see his cure for the hiccups, because you have to take in a deep breath and hold your breath and take in and swallow and take in another deep breath. But you'll just have to check that out. But I've also got a cure for the hiccups. And what you do is you get you a spoonful of peanut butter, and you just eat your little spoonful of peanut butter and swallow that.
I'm sorry to, Granny. I'm sorry to, Granny. I'm sorry to, Granny, for you paying the bear. I'm sorry to, Granny, for you paying the bear. This right here is too, Granny. Don't eat the Peter Pan. This right here is too, Granny. Don't eat Peter Pan peanut butter. It'll give you diarrhea. Look at there. A spoon for you to see a little bit of craziness. There's the crazy. Can you see what I give you? Sorry to, Granny.
It works every time. I thought that was kind of interesting that you put this up, so I wanted to put my little 2 cents worth in. I appreciate you, ISEEHATERS. I am definitely going to try that. See you, man.
I'm sorry to, Granny. I'm sorry to, Granny.